Hello, Life Outside podcast viewers and listeners. It's Dani. I stayed on Furnace Creek Wash Road one more time before I left Death Valley last year. It intersects Highway 190 and Highway 178 or Jubilee Pass Road. You can get to it from the Furnace Creek area through Dante's View Road. It's a dispersed camping area, and it's a great place to go if you don't want to pay for camping, you want something a little wilder, but you want to be near Death Valley. Dispersed camping is allowed 1.5 miles in on either side of the road. I've seen it described as a 2-wheel drive road, and I've also seen it described as a 4-wheel drive road. There's definitely spurs off of the main road that are only 4-wheel drive. Probably the best part of this area is the fact that it's right on the Death Valley Wilderness. I've seen tortoise out there. It has a wonderful display of wildflower in the spring. And like I said, it's really peaceful. Sometimes you might make some friends. You can't get in that way. Oh, well. Hey. Not afraid at all. Really wants to move in. Where are you? You can't be in here. Anyway, I'm now apparently I'm a tree or something for that bird, or a house. Are you my mascot? Are you my new friend? This buddy is super curious. The bird eventually found something else to do, and then sunset came along, and of course it was beautiful. But I'd been spending a little too much time in Death Valley, so I knew it was time to spur myself and move on. Probably too much of Death Valley at this point. The birds are coming. They do that at sunset and sunrise, I've noticed. I know it seems really strange, probably to people, that I'm finding all of this happiness living out of this car, but I am. It's me and that loud fly, absolute bliss. I bought all these strawberries and I started eating them, and they're so good. I mean, I'm gonna have to eat them very fast anyway, but they're delicious. Thank you for listening and watching, and I'll see you next time, or outside.